change edge lighting effect on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Swipe down the notification panel twice. Tap on the setting gear icon at the top right. Now scroll. Tap on the notifications. Now tap on a notification pop-up style. Here you can see edge lighting style. Tap on it. Here you can see edge lighting effect, color and advanced section. In edge lighting effect, you can see the different edge light effect when you receive a notification on a device. Select your favorite effect from the list and tap on a done. Tap on a color tab to select the auto color or choose a specific color you want to set on edge lighting effect. Here you can see how it looks at the top right on your device. Also choose a customize your favorite color. Tap on advanced tab. Here you can set transparency, width and duration. You can check all preview here. After complete, tap on a done to set edge lighting style, effect, color and advanced setting on your device. That's it. Please like it, share it.